In front of me is Lenovo Tab M8 3rd generation, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock on this device. First of all, you need to open Clock app. Now choose Alarm section at the bottom left corner of it if it's not already on. In order to create your alarm, tap on this plus icon at the bottom. Then set up an hour. You can save it by tapping on OK in the pop-up. Now choose Repeat and pick days of the week. In my case, Mondays and Wednesdays. Then click on this little icon next to Vibrate to disable or enable vibrations. You can also tap on this bell icon and select the best sound source for you. You can tap on YouTube Music and log into your account, or click on Sounds. By tapping on Add New under your sounds, you can set up music from your tablet. If you want to, you can always just pick one of those sounds instead by tapping on the best one for you and going back. Now click on this little icon next to Google Assistant routine to add it or remove it from it. Lastly, hit label. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and tap on Done. As you can see, my alarm was successfully created. You can switch it off completely by tapping on this switcher next to it. Then turn it back on the same way. If you wish to delete it though, click on Delete icon at the bottom left corner and wait. You can manage more alarm settings by tapping on those three dots at the top right corner, selecting settings and managing all of them under alarms however you want to, like snooze. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!